Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Prishita Pathak, and in today's video I'm gonna be reviewing some products that I recently purchased from online. I haven't even used these products. I thought why not review it and show you all the first try of these products. So if you are interested in watching that, please keep watching. So the first product that I will review is this Biotiquemoisturizer Morning Nectar Moisturizer. It is really nice. It is for dry skin and combination skin. It is not for oily skin, although you can use it as an oily skin type. You just have to take less amount of moisturizer when you are applying it. So it will be balanced. Then next is this loose powder. This is Coloressence HD High Definition Powder. This is loose powder and it literally set on my skin really good. As you can see, I have applied all of my makeup. I think so it is really good, and the reviews of this product were really good as well. So yeah, and it literally it sits well on my skin. Now I'm gonna review this Maybelline New York Colossal Mascara. This is really good, very good. It literally made my eyelashes look so big, as you can see. And this one is not waterproof. It also has a waterproof version if you want to go for that. I purposely bought this non-waterproof because whenever I try to remove the mascara, it doesn't really come out from just the makeup remover. You just have to try really hard. So I thought let's just go for a non-waterproof mascara so that it will come out easily. And the length with this mascara is really impressive, so this is really good. And then the next product is this garniermicellarwater. This is oil infused. I always wanted to buy a oil cleanser, so I thought let's go for this one. And this had a great ratings and everything, and many YouTubers recommend this one, so I thought why not. And I have not tried it, so I'm just going to try it, but I'm not going to remove my makeup. As you can see, I have literally tried very hard to get this makeup look, so I'm not gonna remove it. I'm just going to here on my hand when I apply the foundation, I just put it here. So this has a little foundation on it, and also I'm gonna put this pen eyeliner here, and then I'm going to remove it with this. So as you can see, it really removed the makeup. And I have tried the micellar water, which is not oil infused, the normal one. It also works really well. Okay guys, so I hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, bye. I will see you in my next video.